This is what the freeways are looking like right now, fellas. Down here in Southern California. It's raining like cats and dogs. Be careful, drive slow. Don't rush it. It's pretty bad right now in Southern California. It's 10:55 Pacific time right now, and I mean the freeways are pretty bad. And it's windy as well, so be careful driving in Southern California today, people. It is no joke. It's coming down pretty hard. It's raining, it's windy, and the visibility is not that good, as you guys can see. There's two cars in front of me and I can barely see them. I have my flashes on, but they're not truckers, so they don't know what safety is. So yeah, but just be careful. Just be careful today in Southern California, people. The rain is killing us. All right, talk to you guys later.